taking my shoes off.
I die. Y'all gonna give me a bench at the beach?
This is awesome.
Yeah, I think you have to be ready to do that.
Oh, what? I don't know.
Right? Yeah, they had to vote all this to the people that did that.
Say hi to the Royals on the B Royals group. Say hi. So everybody be respectful, because I'm gonna put this on the B Royals. This is my nature walk I'm doing.
That's fine.
All right, here we go. I'm going barefooted on this trip. Oh, this is awesome. Wanna hold my shoes? Thank you. Alright, here we go. Let's use my selfie stick. This is gonna be awesome. Holy shit! Excuse my language, but look at this. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh. I love the beach. This is the Fernandina beach. Holy cow. I'm gonna get excited walking and running down this thing. Holy cow. Oh my god, sand! I'm gonna get to feel the sand between my toes. Yay! And I hope you can feel the same as I'm feeling now. This is getting... Holy cow. This is awesome. This is a trip to me. Like, this is an adventure. This path is awesome. I'm walking on high ground right now. Holy cow. This is my nature walk. Happy Friday! Fuck! You Happy Friday. This has been Happy Friday to me. Holy cow. Steps. Yeah. Yay! I feel the sand in my toes. I miss the beach. It's just a calling to me and remind me how much the beach is just like us. I love the beach, love the nature. Nature loves you. And I love my nature walk with y'all. Oh my gosh, we're here. We're here. I'm glad that my video didn't cut off. I'm just so happy. Wow. I gotta say this. Be royal in the sand. Alright. I am awesome. This is awesome. Wow. This is why everybody likes South Florida. I love the sand. Oh my gosh. Woo! I love it. This is awesome. Wow. Awesome. Here's the sun. Look at the sun. No, it's really bright. Trying to have some peaceful. I am just, oh my gosh, I don't even know how to explain this. I haven't feel this in my life. This is so crazy. I just, shit, excuse me. Look at my feet. I'm making my prints in the sand, see? I love it. I'm getting some shells. Look at this. Some shells here. And this is why I love the beach. There's a reason for this. We have buttes in this earth, and I like it. We should enjoy it while we have it, because we don't want chaos, do we? Walking sand. Oh my gosh. Like, my spirit's going wild right now, like it's a little kid. I'm walking. Look at this. It's a bag. It's a bag. Wow. I'm just like, wow. Wow, look how far they are. Oh wow. Waving. Alright, now I'm gonna write this. Be royal. Love. Dessy. Awesome. This is for Bryant. Wait, YANT star on hearts. We're gonna put Jenny in the sand, spreading some love to her and him because they created our connections, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I can actually just take this stick. We can just, I don't know, use this as a writing tool too. Oh my gosh, this is windy. Holy cow. Dessy says hi. I love the beach. I've always wanted to be the beach girl, you know? And I see it in my life. I'm just like excited. Path. Love it. We never alone. Alright. Writing in the sand. Might not be perfect, but I'm doing the best I can with this. I'm just like so happy I got to do this. I am so happy. Look at my eyes. Now, understand this. When I made a video, and I'm actually teaching you to enjoy this expression yourself, I'm like trying to do the practice others learnings because I haven't done it before. Like I admit my true pain, and I admit myself, and I wanted to put it in a video, but I don't know how to even say it again because once I say something, I had to repeat myself, and it's hard to like get those words like back to me unless I like probably take the time to contemplate, put the words together, you know. And I just wanted to enjoy this with you and share this with you because I don't know, it's amazing, and the sun is so bright here. Oh my gosh, I just see a big things in our future where we can come together and start caring in the future and help others to build better, you know, healthy. I'm just so happy about this. Like, I'll take my hand, make a handprint, my signature in the sand. It might fade, it might go away when the water hits it, but it will still imprint in my heart. It's like a memory. You're putting your memories down. Now we gotta put our memories down in our consciousness, our art form, our platform that Bryant was teaching us. I'm learning a little bit different. Like I see it a little different because like I don't know, I see peace. I see more than what what meets the eye, like he said, I really feel that in my life right now. Like, I'm feeling a spiritual connection in different ways that I've never experienced before. Like, I'm trying to understand my dreams a little bit. And the Google Hangouts, like, last night, I'm just so happy that I can, have a true connection and admit that, because I've never told anyone over the public or wrote it or say it, because it's very raw and personal. And I actually cried because, like, I really don't know how I could get my word out, and maybe I could touch other people's lives, that no matter what you go through, you don't judge yourself for it. Just, you went through it because there's a reason for it. There's a real reason behind all of this. There's a beginning. And I really wanted to express this today, and I didn't know what was my plan today, so I took the time to just grab all my camera film, because now I just want to make that lesson and set it where everybody can at least grab it while I'm here. And we should all enjoy our moments in life, because, like, no matter where you are or no matter what time it is, whatever you are sitting in, being homeless or not, you don't even think about it, but, like, be grateful for those things you are having. A lot of people don't have. It's like, I want to have those connections where I can help the people that needs to be recognized and fight for their freedom fighters there. Well, I'm just so happy, and I'm about to write all this stuff and take pictures, and then I'll be back, okay? Thank you, and have a blessed day, and thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.